How to share a template in Canva. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. If this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's just get started right away. And what I'm going to do is select one of my recent designs. So I'm going to select this one over here, which is a portfolio design. And what I now can do is share this as a template. Now, in order to actually be able to share this as a template, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and then click on share. Now, right over here, you have a bunch of share options, like a lot of them actually. But where you want to look out for is the template link over here. Now, if the template link doesn't show up in these four over here, what you can do is click on more. And then here we can search for one. So if I now search for, temp, then we already get template link. I will simply click on this. Then this pop-up will appear. It says, anyone with the link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't know who has made copies of the design. So if you are okay with that, what you can do is simply click on create template link. And here we have now copied this. So if I now click on copy and then go to a new page, paste it in here, and then here we can see what it will look like. So it says a template created by Rangunga was shared with you. Start designing now. So then you can click on edit template or use template for new design, which is quite nice. So that is actually pretty much it. So that is how to share a template in Canva.